In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your MAP sensor. It stands for Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor. That's what it looks like. Let's get started. Now, this is not to be confused with your MAF sensor, the mass airflow sensor, which is this one right here, right on the intake. We are replacing the Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor, which is that one with the 3-wired connector right down there. All right, so here it is. The easiest way to get to this is with a pick. Pull out on the little tab of the connector and just disconnect it. Just make sure you don't poke the wire. There you go. Pull it aside. At this point, I'm going to use a 1-inch socket. Put it down here and break the sensor free. Shouldn't be too tight. Make sure no debris gets down there. And pull your socket off. You can pull the sensor right up and out. And there it is. Take your new sensor, slide it down in there. Try to start it by hand. That way it doesn't cross-thread. I know it's hard to see. I'm going to get it snug, or bottomed out at least, by hand. It does have an O-ring. That's how it seals. So don't completely crush it down. Just make it nice and snug, and it will basically seal itself. The new sensor is a 15/16 or 24. I think 1 inch would be equivalent of a 26 millimeter socket if that's what you have. But regardless, whatever size fits on yours, go ahead and snug it down. Like I said, don't go crazy tight. As soon as it gets snug, stop. That's right here. And the O-ring will do its job. Now we have to reconnect it. Bring the wire over, press it down until it clicks, give it a tug to ensure that it's locked in, which it is, and there you have it. Now if you had a check engine light, go ahead and clear it, turn on the engine, make sure everything runs nice and smooth.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.